Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. This what you're looking at, it's a laptop computer, and lately it's been giving us a problem. So what I'm going to do is to do a diagnosis to see what is wrong with it. So as you as you can see, when we turn it on, it gives you a lot. The color is all fuzzy and like a rainbow type. And now you're not really looking at. You don't really see it clearly. But it's pretty much like a black and white screen. So it is either the motherboard has a problem, or some electronic part is bad, or the screen itself is bad. So in order to rule out the screen or the motherboard, I'm going to run a test. And the test is to basically, that's what everybody, the technicians would do. I will project this image, okay, to the television, and if it is the same color on the television screen, so that means that the motherboard is bad. Something is wrong with the motherboard. But if the screen, if it's different, if it's fine, then that means it's the screen. Okay, so I just projected the laptop screen to the television, and though you cannot see it clearly, you still can manage to make the difference. Because here you see it's the icons black and white, and look at the tint. The tint is pretty much a color purple, and here look at the projected screen. The icons are colored and the tint is green, and so that's the actual color. So basically it's the screen that is bad. So that's a test that anybody can do. Instead of taking it to a shop, and you just go ahead and do that, you project it to a different screen. You see very colorful, and here different color. Replace the screen. And so to do that, you see, you don't have to take the entire laptop or the computer, the components apart. So the screen is right here. So the first thing to do is to try on the side, the areas that is a lot easier to unsnap it. Okay, you will unsnap it, and to take the face cover off. And once you take the face cover off, then you'll be able to unscrew the tiny screws that hold the screen in place. So you gotta be gentle so you won't break it, because this thing is fastened. So I've already loosened up the top corners. It's just the sides and the bottom corners that I need to work on. So let me do that off screen, because I have to take my time. I don't want to break it. Okay, so now I managed to remove it slowly. See? So basically, you can see it's all fasteners or clips, little clips, not fasteners, but clips that hold it to this. That's number one. And then number two, I have to take the screws out. And once I take the screws out, then I will get the serial number or the model number for that screen, because I will need the exact serial number to order another one on Amazon or eBay. And to do this, there are at least 4 screws to unscrew. So one up here, one up here, and then straight down there's one here. Okay, you see they put a little tape here that tells you that it has not been removed. And then over here there's another one. And after removing the 4 screws, now I can easily pick up the screen. Now it says do not touch the screen, but this is the bad screen. So, and then you see there's that wire here. That's the one that projects the image. So now we have to look in the back to see how to unplug it. And to unplug it, and you see this is how it's done. And then with the finger, and you can just unsnap it. You might not be able to see this here, but if you're doing it yourself, and you see how to just flip it over to loosen it up. Let me go ahead and do that. And this is what it looks like after you remove it, or you take it out of the screen. See, very simple. So now, knowing the serial number is here. I will go online, eBay or Amazon, and buy the exact match. "300 days later." Yes, I had to order it, like I said, and it came really well packed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and plus this. So, and that's the screen. And then, as a gift, that's what they provided. Okay, so, and this is it. I'm going to wear gloves. The reason is because I don't want to put my fingerprint, just in case if something's wrong with it that I have to return it. Okay, so the same way the opposite way, I disconnected this, and that's now I plug it back to the new screen, and then there it is, and so now I'm going to power it on to see if if it's clear. Look at that, both screens are identical, very identical. See, that's the replacement, and that's the projected one to the TV. So, really very good. Identical again. All right, my friends, look at it right now. It's all done. Mission accomplished, you see? All right. Thanks for watching. That's it. That's good. The bottom, the horizontal part, yeah, like that. Go across. Okay. All right, that's it. Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Aren't you proud of your old man?
Yes.
All right, I saved you $1 million by fixing this ourselves.
With
All
my
right.
pay, yeah, you did.
All right.
There you go.
Perfect.